upang maghatid ng update at news dito sa ating iglesia. Ako po si Mikey at ako lang naman po si Rodoy. Ako naman po si Roniel at ito ang Legacy News Update!
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you, 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our Workers' Fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another.
Last Monday, nagkaroon ng outdoor fellowship ang ating mga kabataan at naganap ito sa Chinese Garden. At ito ang mga nangyari. Last Wednesday naman po, nagkaroon po ng staff party para po sa ating kapatid na si Brother Mark Capuno.
Now in case you've forgotten, free you know, been an open invitation for every man or woman.
Congratulations po sa bagong kasal na si Brother Mark at Sister Steph.
Looking up onto the heavens, praising God for what He's done. I can hear the chorus.
Ang ating music school ay nagaganap tuwing Sabado sa ganap na 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. at abangan po natin ang kanilang graduation this coming December. This coming November 23, magkakaroon po tayo ng evangelistic concert na kinabakan ng Blue Third. Ngayon lahat magdimina ng mga unbelievers upang sila ay makakilala ng ating Panginoon. Good news! Ngayong December 24, magkakaroon po tayo ng isang malaking selebrasyon dahil pagsasamahin ng candlelight at Thanksgiving service.
How do I begin to tell you about this friend like no other?
You will see it going forward!
My life has been more like forever.
Therefore, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Matthew 28:19. See you next week for another exciting edition of Legacy News Update.
GFC News Update.